Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Dodge Journey. First, always prioritize safety. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical hazards. Next, gather all your essential tools, including a serpentine belt tool, various wrenches and sockets. It's also crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you start working, which helps avoid burns and ensures a safer repair process. Now let's get to the alternator itself. You'll need to locate the serpentine belt and use your specialized belt tool to release its tension, allowing you to remove it from the alternator pulley. Depending on your vehicle's configuration, you might need to remove a few obstructing components, like the air intake tube or even the coolant reservoir, to gain clear access. Finally, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and the main battery cable attached to the alternator. With everything disconnected and clear, it's time to remove the old alternator. You'll typically find 2 or 3 mounting bolts securing it to the engine block. Carefully unbolt these, making sure not to drop them. Once the bolts are out, gently maneuver the old alternator out of its tight spot. Take a moment to inspect the mounting area for any debris, corrosion, or damage that might affect the new unit's installation. Great job! Now, let's install your new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into place and secure it tightly with the mounting bolts. Ensure all electrical connections are reattached firmly, and the serpentine belt is correctly routed around all pulleys. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and check for proper charging system operation, ensuring your new alternator is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.